We have designed the most intuitive, customizable online business registration service in the country. Take a look at the simplicity and speed of selecting the services suited for your individual needs. Each service has a short explanatory YouTube video attached to it if you need more information on the service. You can select and deselect the services you need, and the total amount as well as the discount is automatically updated so you can see the exact cost. This allows you to play around with any combination of services even before logging onto the system. Our pricing structure is completely transparent, making it easy to compare with our competitors' packages before you need to commit or are strong-armed by a commission-driven salesperson. At the time of making this video, we have not found any of our competitors' packages which matches our affordability. So please feel free to email me directly should you find a package combination offering more value than ours. Our company registration price depends on the number of directors and shareholders, starting with 490 Rand for a PTY with 1 director and 1 shareholder. Now, don't let indecision regarding the number of directors and shareholders delay your company registration, as they can very quickly and easily be added at any time. Making changes to existing company details such as a company name, addresses, contact details is actually much easier than you may think. Now, these packages are designed for busy people who like their business registration startup admin to be taken care of by one agency. A package application means that we can take your details only once and there is no mindless duplication of data. We will ensure that the services are completed in the correct sequential order. For example, a company will need its registration to be completed before a tax clearance certificate can be applied for. Now, equally, services that we can start at the same time will run in a parallel work stream to save time. You will automatically be notified when each registration is complete, and any queries are supported by our friendly call center staff. Your completed registration documents will be stored online under your past purchases indefinitely for you to access at any time in the future. Websites and business plans depend on the quantity and quality of information you supply us with. So to ensure you get the best information from you, we provide questionnaires and templates to help you supply us with the necessary information or images. To start, select a pre-selected package or build your own and see the prices recalculate. Once you have selected the services to suit your needs, simply click on Buy Now and the process will start. This is the most time-efficient and cost-effective way to get your company and business-related registrations done in the shortest possible time. We look forward to assisting you. So as always, remember, we are here to help.